This is Matt with Mr. Dryout. We're in a house in Port Richey, and this toilet's been leaking all day. You can see standing water there. Goes out into this hallway, into this bedroom with pergo floor, and the closets. Moisture. It's all wet. See the water in the hallway. We have water, standing water in this room. Back here. You see that? It's hard to see. But it's all wet. We have, woo! I got,
You okay?
oh, yeah, we're good. We got a lot of contents in this bedroom here. And closet. See in this. There's some little water in there too. And this is the dining room. You got puddles of water on the floor.
I'll show you this real quick. This is how deep it
Kitchen.
was sweeping it out.
Yeah, that's good.
I'll send you that.
Yeah, that's good. Here's the kitchen layout. This is the living room. It's wet as well. Got some puddles of water here. And then the other side of the kitchen. Got a formal living room. And we got water on the floor. Little puddles. You can see it. That's a good picture, seeing the water. Standing water against the front wall. Front door. This is the garage, has water in it, flowing right out to the outside. And we've got rubber mats down here. And there's another bedroom off the side of the kitchen. And this is a carpet. And you can see my feet. It's really wet. And then we got another bathroom and closet that's wet. And we got some contents, regular bedroom. Call Mr. Drought 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.